Good day everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use PAHO MQTT to display data from MQTT Broker. Don't forget to like and subscribe. To start, we will use the free online MQTT broker Hive MQ. I will provide in the description the link. In Node-RED, I will use the MQTT out node to publish update to our MQTT broker. Our server will be broker.mqttdashboard.com with port 1883. Client ID is unique string you can freely decide. Our topic are the following: MQTT/temp, MQTT/humidity and MQTT/pressure. Here, I added a function to randomly generate range of values. Inject node is triggered every second to publish update to our MQTT broker. We can see in subscription in Hive MQ to check if the update is successfully published. Unexpectedly, I think Hive MQ has problem displaying multiple subscribed topics. Anyways, I think it was working properly when we subscribed the topic temperature. There, published update is displayed. I prepared a data from MySQL containing the sensors and topics. Now, I added an API to retrieve the sensor and topic from MySQL. I will open in VS Code the previous project. Now, add the package PAHO MQTT. If you don't know how to add package, I suggest to view the part 1 of this tutorial. In Sublime Text, I will open the pre-created code so to help us in coding. Now, let us add the Vue component for MQTT. I will add in router the path to the new component. will copy the code from table so we can check if our new component is working. It appears the new component is successfully viewed. Now, let's start to work on displaying data using MQTT. I will copy my prepared code. It will contain a table and charts of temperature, humidity and pressure. I will copy the needed variables. I will add the comment for the purpose of the variables. Now, I will add the needed methods. Since some of the methods were already covered in previous tutorial, I will only explain on MQTT related. This part is for chart generation. This part is for establishing MQTT connection and subscribing to topics. Destination name contains the topic on which PAHO is subscribing. Payload string contains the value of the topic. This part is code, so we have real-time chart. This means the chart is updated every time the value of topic changes. Same code setup is applied for topics humidity and pressure. Now, let us add the method to disconnect MQTT when the component is destroyed. Note: PAHO will not disconnect if you view other component unless we disconnect it. Let us try to check if our changes works. It appears we have a problem. The problem was I forgot to copy the monitor function. This function initiates the MQTT connection. Now, let's refresh the page. This should already work. I don't see any error. It's like connection delay. There, we successfully established connection and display data of our topics. Thank you for watching and happy coding. See you on the next tutorial.